All right out there, hope you can hear me. I'm running the shotgun microphone right now on Zoom, so hopefully it's picking something up. It's awfully noisy out here. I just had the neighbor's dogs barking over here, and my dog's barking, and those dogs barking. Shut up. So I'm just uploading a video right now as a request from George S. He wanted to see some more details on the Mavic Pro. So I'm going to upload that, and I'm going to include a link to some good tutorials if you're interested in that. That's all it was. Yesterday was nice, 80-degree day. I went for a hike in the morning, and then I was thinking, you know, it's so nice out here in the park. Let me take the drone out. I had everything charged except my cell phone, so that didn't work out very good, but I got something, you know, some kind of video out of that. Glomar, yeah, from what, Shelbytown? I was going to say Shelbyville, but that's the Simpsons. Shelby Township or something like that. Your stuff's in the mail. Okay. And then, John Rinke left a comment the other day, and I hear this comment a lot. Why don't you do it right? Do it right. What is right? He's talking about the lift kit suspension I put on this truck here. Okay? What does he consider right? Well, he says, why don't you do it right and take it to a shop and have solid axles installed front and rear? That's a good idea, but I don't have money for that. Show me the money. Let's do it, right? And in that case, heck, let's throw a V8 in here too, you know. Not necessary for what I do. It'd be nice. If I had that money, I'd have the Bronco running right now. I'd be working on that too. Can only afford, or barely afford one at a time. And I still have money to go somewhere, you know. So yeah, there's all kinds of things you can do. Where's the money? Show me the money. And then, let me tell you, a lot of guys who do stuff like that, they're either into rock crawling or mud bogging and stuff. So they're anticipate damage when you do something like that. Okay, I'm not rock crawling this truck. I got 50 more payments to make on it. You know, it'd be nice if I could. If I could afford it, heck, why not? If it breaks, I'll just buy another one, right? Show me the money and we'll do that. Yeah. Sky's the limit of what you can do to these trucks if you got the money. Look at the SEMA show. The SEMA show is on right now. You can find videos all over YouTube. Guys, I don't know where they get the money from. Oh, so okay, so that explains that. And then, I made a little comment on there that, you know, guys who put solid axles and do all the modifications are usually rock crawlers and they're beaters. What I mean is that they can afford to go out and get damage on their vehicle. It's kind of expected when you go do John Bull or the Hammers. Expect some kind of body damage or some kind of damage. It's okay if you got the money. So anyway, I've got some, this is the Daystar Stinger bump stop. I got this idea, and these are new ones, okay, I may modify the ones I have on the truck there. I'm still, it's up here in my head right now, and I'm thinking about it. I'm like,